Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I have a grocery haul, and guys, this is what you can buy with an amount of let's see, $201. All right guys, I think the last time I shared with you guys my grocery haul, it was almost 2 weeks ago, but this is more money because we have our grandson this weekend. And for my grandson, of course, he wanted Kellogg's cornflakes and his snack Twinkies. He used to love his chocolate snacks, but he stopped eating chocolate. You know how boys are taking care of his face. I can't believe it, not butter and regular butter, which I use for baking. Also, my husband got my grandson hooked on this Italian ices. So we got that. And of course, he loves his chicken pot pies. We got him 2 of those. And we also have 2 hot pockets. These are pepperoni. I also eat these ones once in a blue moon because they are a great source of protein, 100% real cheese. And for one is 310 calories and 620 calories for both. So that's what I have in my first bag. Guys, this is the open collaboration called Foodie Grocery Haul. And this is hosted by myself and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, all simply lifestyle living. She also have a third channel called My Sharish Journey. And guys, first, before I continue, I want to congratulate Anna in her third year graduation of Sheriff's Bible College from, oh my goodness, leadership. And guys, I'm also cooking, so I am very busy. And also, I want to wish all the mothers a happy Mother's Day as well. The ones that are here on earth, like the ones that are in heaven. Guys, and this Tuesday coming up on Tablescape Tuesday, we also celebrating Anna's graduation. Use the color black, gold, and white. Okay, and wish her congratulations on her journey. And I know a lot of open doors are opening for her. All right, guys, so let me continue with the grocery haul. Also, we have a lactate milk. We use dairy in my house, like cheese and yogurts and stuff, but for some reason when we have milk in our cereal, it hurts our tummy. So for our cereal we use lacto milk. And I'm telling you guys, look, 2 more bags of ices, so that's 3 boxes of ices. We have 2 more Popeyes over here. There you have it. Also, another half a gallon of lactate milk because I like to drink milk, and so is my husband. And then, and this second bag, we have bacon. And these ices are for myself. I like to buy these. This lasts me for a long time here, for almost a month. We get 12 in a box, and guys, they are really good. That's the brand right there. They're called helados because they are made with real fruit. Also, I have a bag of shredded cheddar cheese, and of course we have croutons. We have a recaito for our food. And we have ranch dressing. We also have our barbecue sauce. I'm going kind of fast here because I still got to show you the meat. And another, this is a restaurant style seasoned crouton. These ones are just seasoned croutons, and these ones are Caesar. Caesar, Caesar crouton, and these ones are just seasoned. So we got those two. And of course, in a Spanish household, you cannot be without this for your rice and seasoning your meat. And we have our classic yellow box cake. And tomorrow, you're going to see a cake recipe that is coming out, and in there I show you how to elevate a box cake, not to taste like it's from the box. It will taste like it's from a bakery. And of course, tonight we're gonna be watching movies. So we have a popcorn bucket. Those are good when you want to watch a movie with your grandchildren or even yourself, guys. We have an Italian seasoning, and this is my pasta sauce or choice. So guys, I'm going to pause you. I'm going to put this stuff away and then show you the rest of the grocery. So I'll be right back. Stay tuned. All right, guys, continuing, we have block of cheese, a pack of frankfurters, just for snacks. We got hamburgers. You get 4-pack. These are quarter pounders. This is $6.54 a pack. And of course, our ground meat of choice is ground turkey or ground chicken, but I always go with the ground turkey. And then my cheese, I like the mozzarella cheese because sometimes I cut it and I put it on my pasta. And now here comes the killer prices. This is $14.22. I don't have my glasses. I will not tell you anyways. I was going to tell you how much is a pound. Hold on. Let's see how much is the pound. This is $4.99 a pound. These are pork ribs. So that's that. And guys, I don't package them up like this. What I do is I open them, wash them, and package half in Ziplocs and put the date on it, because when I cook it, I don't want to take out the whole pack to throw it out. I don't do that. I like to usually since it's me and my husband all the time, I put 4 in a pack, so he'll have 2 and I have 1 and he'll take 1 for work. But I am not the type of person to be eating a lot of pork. Yes, my husband loves his meat. My meat of choice is turkey and seafood. But I'm more of a pescatarian, and once in a blue moon, I have a piece of chicken or so. So that's that. Guys, heard that? Sorry about the noise, that my windows are open. Here we have boneless chicken breast. I do the same thing. Take them out of here and wash them. But for now, I will be placing this in a sink because I just poke a hole with my nails, guys. I just poke a hole with my nails. And, you know, one thing about chicken is you have to be careful when you have it in your kitchen, because if anything goes anywhere, you have to sanitize really good. You don't want to have any, what is that, E. coli spread in your kitchen. So you put that in the sink. And over here we have a pack of chicken legs. This is $5.14 for the package, and this was, doesn't say, 1.19 1 pound 19 ounces. And this is a family size, and you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 for $5.14. That's a good buy. I do the same thing. Take them out, divide them in Ziploc bags. Yes, guys, we do have a lot of chicken. We love chicken here. So Another pack of drumstick, 540. And then another pack of thighs. This is 563. Which the price of the chicken is not bad. And then the certified Angus roast beef round cube steaks. It was $15.29 for the pack. On this, they look really good. Yeah, they look really good. So that's that. And then I have to throw this bag away. Some blood in it. Certified Angus round cube for meat for beef too. This little pack was $10.27, and this was $8.49 a pound. The steak was $8.69 a pound. I'm telling you guys, it's crazy. These prices are crazy. So I will pull all this stuff away, and then I'll come back with the rest of their haul. All right, guys, let's continue. All that meat is put away. Okay, here I have two beefsteak tomatoes, I think they're called. So 2 beefsteak tomatoes, and then I have 4 bananas. I want to make a banana nut bread. So yeah, guys, I will be making a banana nut bread or a banana with berries in it, something like that. So I 4 bananas, a loaf of split top wheat bread, and cold cuts for my husband's lunch. And he also likes to have omelets in the morning, so I actually put the cocoa inside the omelet for his breakfast, and cheese, and he loves that. I got domestic ham, General salami, and honey ham. And of course, we always buy eggs because I'm always baking, guys. So eggs and a bag of cereal in this. Guys, this is a good buy. I mean, the box, just the box costs like maybe $6 something, and I buy the bag, which you get more, which is $5.99. So this is a good buy. We always try to buy one bag of cereal. All right, guys, my last, oh, this one is heavy. My last bag. Here we have cooking oil. Oh, my husband bought another cheese here. Of course, sugar-free, zero sugar Italian, zero sugar hazelnut creamer. This is by Coffee Mate. So that, and a jar of olives. Sometimes I like to just take a few olives in a container and eat them with Ritz crackers and some cut meat. And guys, I don't know if you ever guys tried this, but this is so good. I mean, I haven't bought this in now. It's gonna be about 8 months because we couldn't find them in the grocery store. But yeah, guys, this is really good. I don't eat them a lot because they're made with pork, but sometimes I have a craving for it. Like I've been craving it for like a month now. So nothing, because I eat 2 of them and then the rest stays in the freezer until my husband wants them. And of course, my husband cannot be without his Dunkin' Donut cream for his coffee. We needed mayonnaise for his sandwiches, and of course another pasta sauce. I would like to make my pasta sauce, but I know how to make my pasta sauce. Instead, I would like, but the thing is, like, it's a long process, and I don't want to be over. I mean, I cook every day, and I don't want to be like hours and over taking care of sauce. And of course, my husband loves his corn. Well, guys, my bags are empty. Everything is put away. So let me leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.